2023 Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary. 6 boxes. PYT number 24. Another goal. I don't know, man. I think it could be a long series for these stars. There she is. Nice. There's our platinum pack. Almost said sparkle for the 100th time. It's 7 games. It's a long series. Long series. Everyone's always the winner in game 1. Ooh. Interesting. 2. Haven't seen that before. 2 platinums. Sweet. Oh, I was like, can we get 3? Oh, man. Beggars can't be choosers here. Oh, that's so whack, Blockman. So that's probably what it was. There's one with 0 and there's one with 2, you know? It's like, they're all dispersed. Nice, that would be sick. I haven't seen any yesterday, Jordan. So it would be nice to see one. Like, we had a bunch of city packs, but no refractors. I didn't see any parallels or any autos. That would be sick. You know if they're all numbered there? From what I guess you possibly have seen? Gotcha. Yeah, I'm not sure. Not sure, Blockman. Did you guys see Seableds yelling at the Dodgers broadcasters? I know I might have said that earlier, but I literally have not got that out of my head. That is the most ridiculous video. That is such an awesome video. You guys suck. This roster has no depth. This roster has no depth. You guys suck. God, he really laid into him. 1-1 or 2-1, I guess. Guys, guess the first auto of the break for 20. Guess the first auto of the break for 20 in Blitzball credit. Go, go, go. Dude, Chad, I think that, especially the video of him in the game when he's like yelling in front of the fans, he's got to be like, hey, just so you know, I'm gonna absolutely yell at the top of my lungs, just so you're aware. They're probably like, okay. Yes, Chad. Yes. I do believe that. He's like, hey, I'm just gonna yell at the top of my lungs, and they're like, okay. Probably not, though. I can assume that he probably didn't do that. He's probably just like, hey, start the video. He was just such a savage. Such a savage. Let's go, D-backs! I got 10K on you! Complete roster! Complete roster! C-Bloods. Guys are guessing the first auto of the break for 20 in Bloodsball credit. Guess the first auto of the break. Going big, they're always right. I like it. What's up, buddy? I want a super. I want a super. Yeah, J-Bach. Exactly. That's what we were saying earlier. Not sure. Not sure what's going on there. Bro, J-Bach, that picture of crap, now I forget the player it was. Was it Chris Kreider? Dude, that is so funny, J-Bach. That is awesome. That's awesome. That's kind of scary though, you know, right, J-Bach? All those people know where you live and you're Chris Kreider. Yeah. Yeah, it's true. It's probably in like a super like tight knit community in New York, somewhere in New York. I wonder where he even is. That didn't look like no city, you know. That didn't look like the city. He looked like he's in damn Hop Hog or something. Nah, he's probably right on the outskirts of the city. I think. I don't know. I don't know. I don't play for the Rangers. That is such a funny picture, though, J-Bach. I love that. That's how it should be, though. You know? Oh, that's sick. Joe Panik. Oh, my gosh. Yes. He was a big piece in it was Hunter Pence, Joe Panik, Pablo Sandoval, Crawford. What's up, Mama Mo? What's up, Mama Mo? Ma, we pulled a, you didn't take a screenshot of it last night. I gotta send it to you. We pulled a Johnny Damon card. You gotta send it over to Johnny. I think you went to sleep. Ma. No sleeping in this industry. No sleeping here, Ma. Come on. Wake up. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Yeah, we got 2 city packs, just so you guys know. We got 2 city packs. I have no idea. Uno y dos. Real quick. I feel like they're the same. They feel the same. I thought it might be like all 4 refractors in there. All 4 refractors in there. I don't really know. Babe Ruth refractor starting us off. Let's get going here. Gold Swa of Fujinami. Fujinami on the gold. Rip him first. What? Fuji on the gold. You guys still, did you guys guess your auto? Guess your autograph. First auto of the break. Had plenty of time to guess it. Topps Fractor of Taj Bradley. Bayo the rookie. Bubba Thompson rookie refractor. For the A's, it's Jose Canseco out of 75 on the Twa. Twa. For just being honest, I think Chad had it on the button. Twa. Actually, was Chad on the Twa or the Twal? The Twal train. I was told about 400 different versions yesterday, so Twal. Aqua, I think we're gonna see your auto here in a second. We are. It's Mike Harris. That's an awesome one. Did anyone get Mike Harris? Yeah, he's a completely different world. I like it. Mike Harris here out of 150. Beautiful piece on the Aqua. Yeah, I love the Aqua Auto. The blue Auto and the pink are so sick. O'Neal Cruz here out of 150 on the Speckle. Palacios. Refractor Raleigh Fingers. Jose Botto, the rookie. Blue Mini Diamond of Michael Rucker. Rucker out of 199. You know what? Everything gets face forward. That's it. Refractor Nicky Lopez. X-Fractor of CJ Cron. The Chrome Zone. Nice Austin Hayes here out of 100. One of the young, we'll call him young. Not as young as Gunner, Adley, and the rest of the crew, but he don't look like the rest. He don't got blonde, flowing, wavy hair. Here we go, 505. Let's go. We can do that. We can do that. Got the rocks. Come on, 505. That's my team there. Let's do it. Let's hit a rock. Mike Harris was the first auto. Let's keep rolling. Go to this back stack here. We got nice color coming up. Let's see. Orange here of Simeon Woods Richardson for the Twins and Thorson. Thorsons have been crushing these plat anniversaries. I don't know about autos. Yeah, you got the Buxton last time. But the Twins have been flying out here. That's for Thorson. A little off here. Ozzy Albies out of 499. I think we're back. I think we're back. Refractor. Roger Hornsby. Interesting cut, Felix. Poorly cut. Yes, I agree. A little friend. That's nice. They're lonely. They seem lonely at 505, right? And I don't even know them. They seem lonely. Let's keep rolling. Nice, another Aqua Auto coming up here. Speckle was taken away here. Mariano Rivera out of 75 on the Rose Gold Mini Diamond. Love to stick to Nico there. Let's see what Cole Reagans is our second auto of the break. Second Aqua out of 150 for the Rangers. Going to Jordan. There we go, Jordan. That's right. We took one of the last teams on the board. That goes to Air Jordan. Lonely. Oh, so lonely. Cheng-Ming Wong. Speckle of Austin Hayes. Hayes, Hayes, Hayes. Swaggity. The swag man. Out of 100 here for the guards, it's Jose Ramirez. Bob Gibson. That cut is super funky. We won't dwell on it. Enough saying it. Enough saying it. Let's top load some cards here. Yeah, the Juan Marichal. Yeah, the Muhammad Ali and Frazier. Will Benson X Fractor. Whoa. Nicky Lopez on the red lava here. Red lava, Ryan Sandberg. Red lava of Nicky for the Braves and John Young. A little PC piece. Nicky Lopez, 1 out of 5. Red lava. Sneaking up on us. Red. Maybe Bogman. Maybe like Alan Ginter or something funny? I don't even know. Imagine. Green wave here of Rocchio for the guards here, going to Blockman. Blockman on the green wave at a 99. Glass jaw? What? Glass jaw. How about Tim Anderson pillow? How about a Tim Anderson pillow? He got rocked. Glass. Oh yeah, glass jaw. Sorry. That's what that means. That's what that means. I was thinking of like an iron jaw. Stroman. Ernie Banks. It's a cool one. $4.99. The Legend of Ernie. Shattered Dreams, Hopes, Glass, Relic of Tim Anderson. I actually like Tim Anderson. I think it was ever since his home run against the Yankees in the in whatever game that was, the Field of Dreams game. Ever since he hit that home run, he's never been the same. The White Sox have never been the same since then, honestly. Nelson Velasquez here. Oh, man, 505. Yeah, trust me. You're talking to a Rockies fan here. Wes Nesky is our auto. Cubbies, Dale. Wes Nesky, base. First base auto. Refractor of Musgrove. Gold coming up here. Gold wave for the Braves. Another piece for the Braves. Another one for the Braves. Out of 50, it's Sean Murphy. Sean Michael Murphy. Sean Murphy. Sean Michael Michaels. You're a fan too? Dude. Not easy, 505. Not easy, 505. I'm going back to 505. 505. You know the song 505? You know that song? It's literally about you. Green Twal of Drew Waters out of 99. Green Twal for the Royals. Going to Beastie. Dodd Refractor. X-Fractor. Riley Green. Riley Green on the X-Fractor. Blue Mini Diamond here of Jim Thome for the Phils. Thome and the Phils here. Going to JG. .505. I could be wrong. 1992. Let me see here. 92. No, it wouldn't have been that time then. But my dad did a bunch of games. He was a police officer, so he worked a bunch of games at Mile High Stadium before they went to Coors. That's pretty sick. That is so sick. Shea. Topps Fractor of Yoshida. Nice Yoshida. Red Sox SG. Refractor Fujinami. True Gold here. Marlins Jazz. That's a beautiful piece for the Marlins. And Ricky. 23 out of 50 on Jazz. I like that picture of Jazz. He looks like he's real deep in thought there. Real deep in thought, Jazz. Should I swing or should I not swing? Fastball or curveball? To swing or not to swing, Jazz? Yeah, right, Blockman? He looks like he's figuring something out, you know? He looks like he's real deep in thought. He looks confused. A little bit. He always knows, though. He figures it out. What's up, 12th man? How we doing? Rose Gold Mini Diamond out of 75. Nice Harper for the Phillies. There we go. There we go. First in the print out of 75 on the Rose Gold Mini Diamond. Former NL MVP. Blue Mini Diamond. Blue auto of Gabby for the Diamondbacks in Chad. Gabby out of 99. Nice D-back auto there. We'll take Gabby out of 99. Trey, former cancer survivor. Trey Mancini. Put him in the Hall of Fame. David Hensley, Blue Mini Diamond. Oh, right 505? Sometimes, right? Sometimes it's definitely an interesting at-bat with Jazz. Other times it's really impressive. For the Phils, again, the Brewer Hicklin. I was going to say the Brewers. Brewer Hicklin for the Phils. There's a great interview with Jazz about his first time facing Hunter Green. And Hunter Green just threw him nothing but fastballs. And he was like, yeah, he's like, he kept throwing me the fastball. And like, he's like, that guy thinks I'm like afraid of the fastball or something. He's like, 100? Oh, wait, no. It was DeGrom. That's what it was. He said he would rather face a 100 mile an hour fastball from DeGrom. Looked weak to him. For paraphrasing, of course. I'm paraphrasing, of course. A Jacob DeGrom 100 mile an hour fastball looked weak to him. Dang it. Guess what he did? He sent that thing to the upper deck. Yeah. George Brett, X-Fractor. Yeah, I completely agree. Ooh, orange. George Springer here. I saw the G and I got real excited. George Springer for the Blue Jays. Nice hit for J-Bach here. The orange Twal. Orange Twal. Yeah, I know you do. I've seen you on the hill. You're really good. You're one of the best. Green Twal here of Tony Perez for the Reds going to Lindsey Clark. Dude, 62? Were there any scouts around? There must have been scouts around. What's up, Taylor? So someone probably in the chat is going to link you our website, our YouTube with all the links to our videos. And you can just scroll through them. Unless you have a specific video you're looking for, we could probably find it for you. But on our website, on this exact page, by the way, Blez Baseball, you can go to the videos part and see our recent videos. Right now, you're in the live section. So if you just go to the videos, it's on the YouTube platform. If not, someone can just link you the specific video if you just let us know. Just let us know which one you're looking for. What's up, Taylor? How are you? You got it. Nice to see you, Taylor. Blue mini diamond of Max Fried. Wesneski again? Wesneski times 2? Wesneski base auto for the one, the only Dale. The fireballer himself. The fireballer. The flamethrower. Topps Fractor here. Manny Machado out of 499. The human flamethrower. What's up, Chad? Gold Wave. Ichiro, that's a really cool one for the Mariners and Ash. Ichiro out of 50. 16 out of 50. 50. What's up, Chattiest Maximus? Oh, yeah, I love it. Yeah, in your prime. Damn, you actually dropped to the 40s, Dale? God, you must have lost the touch, man. Lost the sauce. You're in the 40s? I should join a men's league. Dale, let's join a men's league. Refractor, Miggy. X-Fractor of Andres Jimenez. Guardians. George Brett on the green wave for the Royals going to be Steed. Join a women's join a women's club? Women's baseball club? Wouldn't that be fun? I'd probably get pieced up. I would probably get pieced up. Come on. Damn, Blockman. When I become a man. One day. Then we're going to join the baseball league. Till then, back to the corner. Topps Fractor here of Bo. Bo out of 499. 222 out of 499. Nice, Ricky. Let's go. Yeah, nice jazz. Ricky, we're not done here, buddy. Let's go. Let's keep rolling. See if we can find something else here. Green Trois coming up. Of Zach Neto and the Angels in Chad. What is this? Backwards guy? Why? Please be a variation? Definitely not, right? Definitely not. That's not the Eddie Matthews variation. I know Eddie Matthews when I see him. Always, okay? Always, huh? Just gotta check the number. Okay, cool. Let's check it out. 472. Not too sure, but we will top load him just in case. Just in case, because he was backwards. He was a backwards man. Whether he likes it or not, he's getting top loaded. Sorry, Eddie. Whether you like it or not, Eddie. Blue mini diamond here of Nick Castellanos. Nick Castellanos. For the Phillies. X-Fractor here of Sean Murphy. Gold Wave. Good color here. Pirates, Ralph Kiner. Nice Pirate legend. Refractor, Kyle Tucker. Last handful here. Topps Fractor of Salvi out of $4.99. Caleb Killian, another base auto for the Cubbies here. Killian on the base ink. 2 Wesneskis. Hey, our boy. Our boy, Johnny. I don't know if it's a variation. I'm so confused, but Johnny on the refractor. Looks like the same as all the other refractors. We'll check the numbering in a second on the back. Cody Thomas out of $4.99. Okay. Number at the bottom. Let's check it out. Just top load Johnny out of pure respect here. A young Johnny is right. Let me know what number I'm looking at. Bottom number. This one at the very, very bottom that you need a microscope to see. These last 3. 112, if that is what we're at, if that is what we're looking for. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Ma. Johnny does. Ma, did you even know he was a Royal? That's a fact you could bring to him next time you see him. I didn't even know you were a Royal. Started his career there. It's one of those few people always think he's a Red Sox. I thought he was a Red Sox. I didn't even know he was a Royal until I started looking into him a couple of weeks ago. So on these base, I see 112 as well. I see 112 as well. Wow, that's so weird, Jordan. You only see him as a Royal. That's so funky. All right, let's give a recap. Okay. Isn't that crazy? So sorry. Start with the, I think this pack, if anything, is the lighter pack. So we'll start with this one. Hank Aaron here. Roy Campanella, it's a sick one. Hicks Street in the background. That is so cool. Little Brooklyn in there. That is dope. Yes, Dale. Of course. Stan Musial, thank you. Interesting background there. St. Louis, OG, and Ichiro. That's a cool one. Space Needle in the back. Ichiro. Royals, A's, Red Sox, Yankees, Rays. Yeah, the Rays. When was he a Ray? Was he a Ray after he was a Yankee? I don't think so. Oh wait, no. He was a Ray early in his years, right? He was a Devil Ray. feel like I see him in a Devil Ray hat. Tigers and Indians. Indians. Tigers? I don't think I knew. Indians? I think I remember. Now it's in my head. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see our second pack. Vlad Jr. Oscar Colas. Chicago. Chi-Town. Nice Shohei on the city. It's a beautiful one for the Angels here. Going to all sports. And our last one is another Angel. It's Ohapi. Another Angel in Ohapi. Yeah, Johnson. What's up, dude? I think they're a solid team in this, honestly, especially with J-Walk. Okay. What's up, Brian? Here's the recap. Let's go through the city, guys, first. Oh, Hoppy. Nice Otani. Beautiful Otani there. It's super sick. Hank Aaron. Roy Campanella. Ichiro. And Stan Musial. J-Bach, are those the years? 2010, 2011, 2012? He played with the Indians in 2012? All the way at the end? That's so strange. Doesn't feel like it, from what I can remember him. I saw him at the, these are out of $4.99. At the parade for the World Series. And then I don't remember anything after. I thought he was, didn't move too much after that. These are out of $1.99. Out of 150, Hicklin, Hayes, O'Neal Cruz. These are out of 100. Hicklin, Jose Hayes. These are out of 99. Perez Neto. Drew Waters, George Brett, Green Wave, Rocchio. Mini Diamond here on the Rose Gold of Bryce Harper, Mo. Rose Gold 12 of Jose. To the golds are better. Jazz True Gold. Ichiro and Ralph Kiner Gold Waves, as well as Sean Murphy. Gold 12 of Fujinami. Orange 12 of George Springer. Orange Waves, Simeon Woods Richardson. Nicky Lopez going to John Young. Little PC piece. Autos, Caleb Killian. Wes Nesky times 2. That's 3 for the Cubs. Rangers got Reagan's Mike Harris on the auto out of 150. And a beautiful Gabby Moreno at a 99 for the Diamondbacks and Chad. That was 2023 Topps Chrome Platinum Anniversary. 6 boxes, PYT number 24. 25 is the start of a new case. We will see you there.